A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Senior KG, Subject English, page number 16, lecture number 58. Now, open the page number 16 of your book. Today we will learn the phonic sounds. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? Phonic sounds learn करेंगे and we will do the activity. हम क्या करेंगे आज एक activity भी करेंगे. Now see here and read with me the UE sound in VALUE. Value is same as EW sound in NEW new. What is it saying? It is saying that the sound of UE in value is same as in new. जो वैल्यू में साउंड आ रहा है UE का, वही EW का साउंड है न्यू में. Both are giving the same sound. Here you see the blue and orange highlighted letters UE and EW. So it is saying that in the spelling of value, UE is giving the sound OO. What is it giving? क्या sound दे रहा है sir? OO. And the orange highlighted letters is EW sound in and EW new. So it is giving also the same sound OO. Speak with me. OO. So here value and new in both the spellings UE, EW both are giving the same sound OO. Now come on the sentence. We will read value a good new book. Value a good new book. So here we learn the sound of UE and EW is same. Now come on the other side. See here and read with me. The UE sound in BLUE blue is same as EW sound in screw. SCREW. See here, here is the spelling of screw. SCREW screw. What is it saying? It is saying that in the spelling of blue and screw, the sound of UE and the sound of EW both are giving the same sound. दोनों के sound क्या है children? Same. OO. What is it? OO. What is the sound? OO. Screw. Blue. But the difference in between both the is it is the short sound and it is the long sound. Okay, so what is it? It is the short sound and it is giving the long sound. Blue. Screw. Now come on the words. See here, rhyming words. You are seeing the rhyming words. In the next video we will learn how to read these words. Now come on the activity. We will do a activity. Match the rhyming words. What is saying? Match the rhyming words. Now see here, the first word is DEW, dew. DEW, dew. And the second word is DREW, drew. Now come on the next. The word is GLUE, glue. Glue. Now come on the next. VENUE, venue. So you have to match these four words with their rhyming. आपको क्या करना है children? Rhyming जिनका correct है उन्हें match करना है. See here, it is the activity. DEW, dew, match with the venue because it is rhyming correct. It is giving the correct rhyming. Dew, venue, because it's the long sound. Dew, venue. It is the long sound. Now come on the next. Drew, glue, drew. It is drew and it is glue. So both are the giving the rhyming words with the long sound. दोनों के sound क्या है children? Drew, glue. So हमने क्या किया है? Drew को glue से match किया है because दोनों के sound क्या हैं children? Ooh. And both are giving the long sound. दोनों के sound क्या हैं? Long sound. और in the above DEW, dew में क्या है children? Short sound. Dew and venue, short sound. So we are matching the dew with the venue and drew with the glue. Now you have to do this activity at your home using pencil in the book and click a picture of it, send it to the school WhatsApp number. Till then, take care and keep studying.